Okay, now we have another deck opening. We have the Rise of the True Dragon Structure deck. Contains all of these cards. Today was my brother's birthday, and since he got me into this, into Yu-Gi-Oh in the first place, why not? It's going to be in the link in the description below. Go and check him out. It's pretty awesome. Don't subscribe to him though. Check out the new. There's the new mat. You can see it's got the Monster Zone, and Spells and Trap Zone. Nice. Nice. Let's do this. Open. You know what? Now, let's just use a pen to open it. I don't really have fingernails. Also, leave a comment on which deck you guys want me to do a deck profile of first. I have dinosaurs, machines, dragons, elemental heroes, performer panels, and more. That's taking a lot of. Just keep looking at that. Alright. We got the Arknight Dragon. Arc Brave Dragon, I'm sorry. Nice. Divine Dragon Lord Fitzgerald. Nice. Nice. Got the Dragon Knight of Creation. Looks sort of like a Buster Blader. Ruins of the Divine Dragon Lord. It's a spell. Continuous at that. Return of the Dragon Lords. Paladin of the Fligland. I'm probably butchering that so hard. Guardian of whatever that is. Don't really know for sure about that. The original whatever dragon. Okay, good. Dark Blaze Dragon, pretty weak, but must have a pretty good effect. Herald of Creation, nice, like that card. Always enjoy it. Decoy Dragon, nice. Red Eyes Darkness Metal Dragon, my favorite Red Eyes card, actually, that I have so far. Ooh. Red Eyes Wyvern. White Knight Dragon. And a Dark Storm Dragon. Armed Protector Dragon. Well, at least it's not a level armed dragon. This card is so hard for me. Evil Swarm Zarak. Eclipse Wyvern. White Dragon Wyvern Buster. Black Dragon Calypso. Keeper of the Shrine. Kidmo Dragon. It's like a little Charizard looking thing. Charizard, Charmander, Charmeleon. That's some Giant, Light Swarm Paladin. We got Ian, the Light Swarm Monk. Raiden, Hand of the Light Swarm. Tuner. Always nice to see. The Exterminator card. The one that reminds me the most of the Daleks. Otherwise known as Card Trooper. I like that guy. Dragon Ravine. The spell. Or the field trap, I'm sorry. A Windbeat of Giant Dragon. Trading. Foolish Burial. Hand Destruction. Reinforcement of an army. The Warrior Returning Alive. Change of the Light Braid. Transforming. Dragon's Rebirth. Burst Breath. Needlebug Nest. Breakthrough Skill. A Call of the Hunted. Oasis of the Dragon Souls. A continuous trap. And a Dragon Lord token. And on top of that, with the thing, you also get a beginner's guide. Tells how to play the game, the rules. So, yeah. That's about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this deck box opening of the Rise of the True Dragons. And I will see you later, Go Army. Bye!